Greetings, lovely people. Welcome to another exciting episode on our W&H Secret channel. We're here to shine a light on the often overlooked yet nutrition-packed world of food. And today, our spotlight is on the humble kidney bean. Understanding the nutritional value of what we eat is vital, and kidney beans pack a punch that's worth exploring. So as we embark on this journey of discovery, remember, we're all about unveiling hidden treasures. Today, we unravel the secrets of the humble kidney bean, so stick around to learn more. Kidney beans, named for their shape that resembles the human kidney, are a part of the legume family. Originating in Central and South America over 7,000 years ago, kidney beans have become a staple ingredient in pantries around the globe. They've earned their place as a beloved food staple, thanks to their versatility, hearty texture, and rich flavor. There are several types of kidney beans, including red, white, and spotted. Red kidney beans are the most common type, recognized by their vibrant, dark red color and robust, slightly sweet flavor. White kidney beans, also known as cannellini beans, are larger and have a subtly nutty taste. Spotted kidney beans, on the other hand, boast a unique, speckled appearance and a somewhat earthy flavor. Kidney beans have found their way into a multitude of dishes worldwide. In India, the beloved Rajma Chawal, a dish of red kidney beans cooked with spices and served with rice, is a comforting meal. In the United States, kidney beans are a key ingredient in chili con carne. In Italy, white kidney beans are often used in minestrone, a thick soup of vegetables and pasta. From salads and stews to dips and casseroles, the culinary uses of kidney beans are as diverse as the cultures that cook with them. Beyond their culinary versatility, kidney beans are packed with nutrients, making them a great addition to any diet. They're high in plant-based protein and fiber, and they're a good source of complex carbohydrates. Plus, they offer a wealth of vitamins and minerals, including iron, potassium, and folate. Now that we know what kidney beans are, let's dive into their nutritional profile. Kidney beans pack a punch when it comes to their nutritional profile. As we delve into the nutritional value of kidney beans, it's important to understand that these legumes are indeed a powerhouse of nutrients. They're packed with a variety of vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fibers, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining our overall health. Let's start with proteins. Kidney beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein. A single cup of cooked kidney beans provides around 15 grams of protein. That's roughly the same amount of protein you'd find in 2 eggs or a small piece of chicken. For vegetarians and vegans, or anyone looking to reduce their meat consumption, kidney beans can be a fantastic source of this essential nutrient. Now let's talk about fiber. Kidney beans are rich in dietary fiber, with 1 cup providing about 13 grams. That's over half of the recommended daily intake for women, and about 1/3 for men. Fiber is the unsung hero of our diets, aiding digestion, preventing constipation, and even helping to control blood sugar levels. But the nutritional benefits of kidney beans don't stop there. They're also rich in essential vitamins and minerals. They provide a good amount of folate, a B vitamin that's crucial for brain function and plays an important part in mental and emotional health. Kidney beans also offer a healthy dose of iron, needed for making the protein hemoglobin which carries oxygen around our bodies. Moreover, kidney beans are a good source of potassium, which is vital for heart health and maintaining a healthy blood pressure. They also contain magnesium, which helps in hundreds of biochemical reactions in our bodies, and zinc, which is essential for our immune system to function properly. Aside from these nutrients, kidney beans are low in fat and contain 0 cholesterol, making them a heart-healthy food choice. They also have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels compared to high glycemic foods. This makes kidney beans an excellent choice for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels. It's also worth noting that kidney beans are a cost-effective source of nutrition. They're widely available and relatively cheap, making them an accessible choice for people on all types of budgets. In summary, kidney beans are a nutritional powerhouse. They offer a wide range of nutrients, including protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're low in fat, cholesterol-free, and have a low glycemic index. And they're economical and easy to incorporate into various meals. With such a rich nutritional profile, it's no wonder kidney beans offer numerous health benefits. The health benefits of kidney beans are vast and impressive. These little red gems are more than just a pretty addition to your plate. They're a powerhouse of nutrition that can contribute significantly to your overall health. Let's start by discussing how kidney beans can improve digestion. High in fiber, kidney beans add bulk to the digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. This dietary fiber also aids in the prevention of digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome and diverticulosis. Now let's switch gears and talk about blood sugar. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for everyone, not just those with diabetes. Kidney beans have a low glycemic index, which means they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels compared to high glycemic foods. This makes them an excellent food choice for preventing and managing diabetes. But that's not all. The high fiber content in kidney beans also plays a role in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Dietary fiber slows down the rate at which sugar is absorbed into the bloodstream, providing a steady supply of energy and preventing sudden spikes and drops in blood sugar. Moving on, let's talk about weight management. If you're looking to shed some pounds or maintain a healthy weight, kidney beans could be your new best friend. They are low in fat, high in fiber and protein, making them an excellent choice for weight loss diets. The fiber and protein provide a feeling of fullness, which can help curb overeating and snacking between meals. They also contain resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion and acts like fiber, further promoting feelings of satiety. And last but certainly not least, we come to heart health. Kidney beans are a heart-healthy food. They are rich in soluble fiber, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Lowering bad cholesterol is crucial as it reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Furthermore, kidney beans are an excellent source of folate, a type of B vitamin that's key for heart health. Folate helps lower levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that, at high levels, can increase the risk of heart disease. Also, kidney beans are a good source of potassium, which plays a crucial role in heart health. Potassium helps lower blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium and relaxing the walls of blood vessels. In addition to these major benefits, kidney beans also have several other health benefits. They are a great source of iron, which aids in transporting oxygen throughout the body and prevents anemia. They are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. Furthermore, kidney beans contain a good amount of magnesium, a mineral that's often overlooked but plays a vital role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. It's necessary for bone health, nerve function, and even aids in the production of DNA and RNA. Wrapping up, let's not forget the molybdenum found in kidney beans. This trace mineral is a significant component of the enzyme sulfite oxidase, which is responsible for detoxifying sulfites. Sulfites are a type of preservative commonly used in prepared foods. Some people are sensitive to sulfites, and consuming them can result in rapid heartbeat and headaches. Eating molybdenum-rich foods like kidney beans can help protect against these effects. Indeed, this nutritional powerhouse has much to offer, but how can we incorporate kidney beans into our diet? Incorporating kidney beans into your diet is both easy and delicious. Let's start with breakfast. How about a hearty, protein-packed scramble? You can toss a handful of cooked kidney beans into a pan with some scrambled eggs and your favorite veggies. You'll not only add a nice crunch to your meal, but also a boost of fiber and nutrients that will keep you satiated until lunch. Speaking of lunch, a simple kidney bean salad can be a real game changer. Mix kidney beans with chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, and a dash of your favorite dressing. This salad is a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with proteins, fiber, and vitamins. Dinner can be just as thrilling with kidney beans. Think about a cozy, comforting bowl of chili. Kidney beans are a staple ingredient in this dish, contributing to its rich texture and flavor. Or maybe you prefer a classic bean soup, a one-pot wonder filled with the goodness of kidney beans, veggies, and herbs. And let's not forget about snacks. Kidney beans can be roasted with some spices to create a crunchy, healthy snack that you can munch on throughout the day. Or blend cooked kidney beans with garlic, olive oil, and tahini to make a creamy, nutritious spread for your bread or crackers. Kidney beans can even make their way into your desserts. Yes, you heard it right. Kidney bean brownies are a thing, and they are incredibly delicious. These brownies are a healthier alternative to traditional ones, offering a good dose of fiber and protein. Incorporating kidney beans into your meals doesn't always mean you have to cook. Canned kidney beans are a convenient option. They're already cooked and ready to use, saving you time and effort. Just remember to rinse them well to remove any excess sodium. So, whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner in the kitchen, there's a kidney bean recipe out there for you. The possibilities are, quite frankly, endless. As you can see, adding kidney beans to your diet can be as simple as it is beneficial. While kidney beans are beneficial, it's important to consume them properly. It's a universally acknowledged fact that no food, however nutritious, is completely devoid of potential risks if not handled or consumed correctly. This principle applies to kidney beans too. First, let's talk about raw beans. It's critical to keep in mind that raw kidney beans should never be consumed as they contain a natural toxin called phytohemagglutinin. This substance can cause unpleasant symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. So, how do you make them safe to eat? Simple: by cooking them properly. Cooking not only makes kidney beans safe to eat, but also enhances their flavor and makes them easier to digest. But it's not as simple as tossing them into a pot and waiting. Kidney beans need to be soaked in water for at least 8 hours or overnight to reduce their cooking time and make them easier to digest. After soaking, they should be boiled for at least 10 minutes to ensure that the toxin is completely destroyed. Another point to consider is the quantity. Even though kidney beans are healthy, it's not advisable to consume them in excess. Like other legumes, they are high in fiber and can cause digestive issues like bloating and gas if eaten in large amounts. Also, individuals with kidney or gout issues should consume them in moderation as they can increase uric acid levels. Lastly, if you're using canned kidney beans, make sure to rinse them thoroughly before use to remove any additional sodium or preservatives. In conclusion, kidney beans are a powerhouse of nutrition and offer numerous health benefits. However, to safely enjoy these benefits, it's necessary to properly prepare and cook them, consume them in moderation, and pay attention to canned variants. With these precautions in mind, you can safely enjoy the numerous benefits of kidney beans. We've come to the end of our journey exploring the wonders of kidney beans. We've discovered their remarkable nutritional value, delved into the myriad health benefits they offer, and even shared some tips on incorporating them into your diet. However, remember the precautions while consuming them. Your health is indeed your wealth, and knowledge is the key to maintaining it. Remember, your health is your wealth. Don't forget to subscribe to W&H Secret Channel for more insightful videos. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.